Hi, and welcome to the first grade math curriculum overview. We wanted to give you some insight from the Math Cadre on some things you might want to be aware of. At the top, under the heading, there is a link. If you click on it, it will take you directly to the module overview on the Engage New York website. Make sure you read this before you begin teaching the lesson in this module. The overview is really important because it will give you some insight on what you will be focusing on for each individual module. So make sure you read that before you begin teaching. If you are experiencing pacing challenges, underneath each of the links we have included an explanation from the Engage New York website that will let you know what lessons that you can omit in each of the topics. If you scroll down, you will see for each individual topic, you will see the approximate time, the essential understanding, and the essential question. The next link you will see is for the mathematical practices. These are the Common Core mathematical practices that every math teacher should make sure that they are implementing in their classroom. They are listed over here on the right, but if you click on the link, it will take you to the KSDE website where it will give you a brief explanation and a few examples of each of the practices. Under the Standards heading, you will see that we have listed the Common Core as well as the Kansas Career and College Readiness Standards. They are also highlighted red and blue, and we highlighted them red and blue because of Priority 1 and Priority 2 standards. If they are highlighted blue, these are the Priority 1 standards. They are the most rigorous for our grade level. They are the standards that we are expecting all students to master by the end of the grade level. If they're highlighted red, those are the Priority 2 standards. These standards do not receive the same degree of instruction or assessment as Priority 1 standards, but these standards provide the instructional scaffolds for the Priority 1 standards. Under Math Manipulatives, you will see that the Math Cadre has divided each of the lessons for the materials that you will be needing. We divided them by what the teacher will need as well as what the student is going to need for each one of the lessons. Under the Evidence of Learning, you will see another link. This link will take you to the Go Formative website. If you already have an account, you will just log in. If you do not have an account yet, you will need to create an account. And once you create an account, you will be able to be taken directly to the link for the exit ticket for each individual lesson. Under the Assessment tab, you will find links to mid-module assessments. They will be available under the topic for which that assessment is given. So if there's no mid-module assessment, you will not find an assessment link on there. The end of module assessment will also be available under the last topic of the module. Under the Core Instructional Resources, this will link you to not only the Engage New York topics, but also to Embark. And under Embark, you'll be able to find problem sets, homework, videos, and parent tip sheets. And finally, we have the supplemental resources, and people from Math Cadre and from around the district have vetted some different resources for teachers to use. And so we have found some activities from Zearn and also from Illustrative Mathematics. So if you click on the link, it will take you directly to those websites. If you have any questions about the curriculum map, please make sure you talk to your instructional coaches or your representative for Math Cadre and let us know how we can help you.